Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the exact motherboard and Sata controller model so you fetch the correct driver. Once done, make sure to back up critical files and create a Windows restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, download the OEM or Intel Rapid Storage driver that matches your operating system version. Don't guess. While the file downloads, disable antivirus temporarily to avoid blocking installation, and keep the downloaded installer and your system's admin password handy for the next step. You now run the installer as administrator and follow the on-screen prompts to install the OSI or RAID driver. This ensures Windows can communicate with the SATA controller correctly. If you're upgrading, pick the update or replace option rather than a clean remove because that preserves storage settings. Once the installer finishes, don't skip the BIOS check. Reboot and enter firmware to confirm SATA mode is still OSI or RAID as required. If it changed, set it back before booting to avoid boot failures. You finish by booting into Windows and verifying the driver version in Device Manager under Storage Controllers or IDE ATA/ADAPI. This confirms the update applied. Then run a quick disk benchmark or smart tool to ensure drive performance and stability. That proves the new driver is functioning. If the system won't boot, use safe mode or the previously created restore point to roll back the driver. Alternatively, disconnect non-essential drives and retry installation. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.